Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can apply electric light border on CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have created a project in my CapCut mobile application and I'm going to apply the electric light border to this video. First of all, I'm going to go to the effect menu and I'm going to select the body effect and just type in electro border like this, and you can choose the electro border, this one guys. Apply it to your video. Click on adjust if you want to adjust the color or the speed or the size, the intensity, add the filter as well. And for the color, I'm gonna go with this one, green color, and I'm going to increase the speed. Okay, and then you can click on the check mark, and if you want to make it the effect align with your video, you can drag it like this, and this is the final result. Alright guys, and that's all the way to add electric light border to our video in CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.